Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Relations and Function Miscellaneous Exercise number 9. Let's see the question. Let R be the relation from n to n. N means natural numbers to a natural numbers defined by R is equal to A comma B. A and B belongs to natural numbers and A equal to B square. So A is nothing but B square. Are the following true? So they have given some statements. They are asking whether it is true or false. The first question they have given that A comma A. So this is A and even this is A belongs to R, belongs to real numbers for all natural numbers. Here according to the concept it is A comma B square means this means B comma B, B square comma B. Instead of A, I am writing B square comma B will be your relation actually. So in the first case it is given that A comma A belongs to R for all natural numbers, which is a false because here A and here is also A. If I substitute the value of A, any value of A, it will be same. If I substitute 2, it will be 2 here. If I substitute 5, it will be 5 here. But in the case given here, the relation, it is B square comma B. Whatever value it's B, the square number will be the domain and the range will be the root number or if this is 4, this will be 2. This is a root number and this will be a square number of this. So this is false because the two are not same. It is true only when we substitute 1. If it's 1, this is also 1 square. Here 1, then here is also 1. Other than 1, this is not true. This will be a false. So therefore we can write it as it is false because A is equal to A square. A should be, this should be equal to A square. Here B is equal to B square. Here A should be equal to A square. Is true only for 1 and not for other natural numbers. Now we'll move on to the second one. The second one, it is given that A comma B belongs to R implies B comma A belongs to R. So here A comma B belongs to R implies B comma A belongs to R. In this case it is false because here it should be a square, right? The first one should be a square of the second one, but here it is just A comma B. So therefore it is false. It is false because A is equal to B square, then B is equal to A square. This here B is equal to A square, but here B is equal to A square. It is false because A is equal to B square, then B is equal to A square. This implies that the given relation is totally different from this, so it is not true. Is not true. We'll move on to the third one. The third one, it is given that A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R implies A comma C belongs to R. This means here is also it is false because if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, this implies A comma C belongs to R. This is false because in the case, the relation what they have given is the first one should be the square of the second one. But here there is no first one the square. The A is not equal to B square. So in this case it is wrong. Even here B is not equal to b square. If a is equal to b square, then here c should be equal to b square, and here this implies that a is equal to c square. A is not equal to c square. So this is also, the statement is also false in the third. Hence it is not a relation. Hence it is not a relation. That's all with the sum. Thank you.